welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how we transformed our living room. This family room is the only living space in our house and it serves a lot of purposes, and most recently, as with probably many of you, we've added schooling to the list of purposes this room serves. So it quickly started looking like a hot mess and I needed to reset, minimize, organize, and just get the space looking and feeling like a blank canvas where we could do some relaxing and playing and learning without all of the clutter. So let me show you around our living room slash family room makeover. So a couple of months ago, I listed our old recliner sectional on Facebook Marketplace, and it literally sold within a few hours. So I was finally able to purchase the one sectional I had been eyeing for a while. Now, as I mentioned before, this is our only living space, so comfort is really the most important factor when it comes to selecting furniture. And now there are so many good options for recliner sectionals that don't have that typical recliner bulky look, if you know what I mean. So when I found this one, I felt like it was a really great compromise between comfort and style. So next we tackled the painting. I really just wanted the space to feel bright and airy, so we went with white. I chose Pure White by Sherwin-Williams in a satin finish for the walls, and then we painted all of the trim with Sherwin-Williams High Reflective White in a semi-gloss. So next we put our curtains back up. Now these are the same curtains we had before. They're from Ikea. I've been buying my curtains from Ikea for years now. I feel like their curtains are really great quality. I prefer the ones with grommets. The ones I have are called the Mirette. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. To create symmetry on either side of the couch, I hung this large mirror and I added curtains to create kind of like a faux window. I learned this trick from Rebecca Robeson. And by the way, this is the HAVES mirror, another one of my absolute favorite items from IKEA. The one thing that really made the biggest impact, besides changing out the couch and painting, was of course decluttering. And just going through all the books and all the toys and all the things and only keeping the items that we actually need and use in this space. Luckily, we have pretty decent storage. We have this media console that we've also had for many years. We bought this piece while we were living in Dubai and we had it shipped when we returned to the States. So this is a really nice piece. It's got a lot of memories as well. And then I also just recently purchased these two large baskets from World Market. I've seen these in places like Serena and Lily for twice the price as World Market, so I was really happy to find these for such a good price. Our coffee table is a couple of years old. It's got this rustic wood surface. It hides scratches and imperfections really well because of the different wood tones. And to me, that is a must, especially with kids, for furniture to be a little bit forgiving and not too high maintenance. Our rug is from Home Goods. And all of our pillows are a combination of IKEA inserts and pillow covers from different sources. Another thing that I love from IKEA are their pillow inserts, specifically their down inserts. My pillow covers are from either Etsy or Amazon, or I have a couple from IKEA as well. If you haven't already noticed, I love plants. I love my plants, and I brought in a couple of them from my patio. I have my baby bird of paradise, and I have it on this beautiful vessel that I found at Home Depot for 20 bucks, and I just gave it a coat of black paint. quick little trick, if you have a large plant and a very small space like I do, I just have this narrow space behind the couch, and I just took some nylon thread and I very gently tied some of the branches together to kind of lift and reshape the plant a little bit and just help it fit within that narrow space. Another thing I like to do with my larger indoor plants to be able to water them in place, I buy these little feet from Amazon that you can put underneath the pot. Then I can water my plants, and if any water seeps under, I can just dry it with the mop and not damage the floor. The cane or rattan trays that I have displaying on the wall above the couch are a Facebook Marketplace find. They're actually Makeover Co. trays. I hauled these on a previous thrift video. So as you can see, there is no fall decor, and that is because it's almost time to decorate for Christmas. So with that being said, I cannot wait to share some holiday table settings and recipes and decor and all the things. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.